mamaya pupuntahan kita dyan. Kung saan yung maingay, doon ako pupunta mamaya.
Eh, baka mapapromose ka? Astig lang dapat kasi ako.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat for making my dreams come true. Day 3!
Kaya maraming salamat po for making this Simple Songwriters dreams come true. Hindi ako makapaniwala kung nakikita nila yung POV ko. Susulitin ko tong gabing to. I will take my time tonight. Ibibigay ko sa inyo ang lahat. Alam mo yung parang I wish you were here kind of feeling. Ganun. Sana nandito siya.
With you by my side, I see the best of night. Nowhere's a better place. Nowhere's a better place when I'm without you. Aking grasa, imahinasyon. Panaginip ka'y makakasalang na. Aking kalala, ang hiling ko ang makakabi. Paano kung bigla ng gano'n ang lahat ng your words? Di mo inaasahan, I'll kiss you right on the lips. Baby, I love you. Ikaw na ako lagi na lang nabibigo, ngunit ikaw pa rin sigaw ng puso. Kailan kaya muling makakatawa? Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang dito na lang. Huwag ka nang magparamdam dahil humihirap lang.
Mahal ko o mahal ako? Laging sagot is yung mahal ko. Siyempre pipiliin nila yung mahal nila. I-rest nila yun. Paano naman si mahal ako yung hindi napili? Kaya ginawan ko siya ng kanta. This next song is called Kung Siya Man.
Ihanap ko na ang tanang
congratulations, Casey and TJ. Because for 2024, Palagi is the #1 song in Billboard Philippines. Please, give a hand.
Doesn't just mean you're #1 on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music in sales. It means all of those things. You're a #1 across the board. This is saying that OPM is going different places in the Philippines. Every day, all of you are choosing Filipino music, and TJ and KZ are a representation of that. Thank you, TJ and KZ.
Talaga ni Lord to. Walang akin dito. Talaga. Wala akong maramdaman. Kayo yung nakinig, hindi naman ako yung nakinig eh. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for making Palagi #1 sa Billboard. Thank you so much. Kayo po to. Wala akong masabi kundi maraming salamat po.
Eh baka mapapromos ka.
Wait guys, there's more.
This plaque is presented to TJ Monterde in recognition for being the first Filipino solo male artist to stage 3 consecutive sold-out shows. For TJ Monterde, sarili nating mundo at the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Mula sa akin at sa buong Cornerstones at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng concert na to, bro, we just wanna thank you. Bro, thank you for not giving up. Thank you for fighting. Thank you for honoring God. Thank you dahil hindi ko masabi, bro, na lagi na sinasabi, diba? It's nice working with you. No, I cannot say that eh. So nice creating with you.
Diretsuhin ang alam natin to. Paulit-ulit na lang ba tayo?
Naghahay na muna ako sa mga nandito!
Akong nagkapang sa aking pagdilat ay hawak ng iyong kamay.
Tapos kayo nakakiss kami. Tingnan natin kung di kayo magreklamo at di tayo mag-MTRC. Shucks, dapat demure. Kasi, I just wanna say, sa mga nanood po ng Day 1, Day 2, maraming salamat po for choosing to be with TJ these past 3 days. Hindi po kayo nagkamali sa taong susuportahan. Kasi kung gaano po siya ka-generous on stage, paano siya magkwento sa inyo, kung paano siya nag-i-inspire, nag-i-encourage sa inyo na nanonood ngayon, ganon na ganon siya off stage. This person is an example of God's testament. He is the God of everything. Kaya niyang i-compress ang time. Kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo Kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa isang ganun. Kasi aside from being a great artist, singer, songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada to our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration. On behalf of all of us, thank you for reminding us that dreams really do come true. I love you so much. Wala ka nang magagawa. You signed away your rights. I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you. Palagi.
Oh. I love you, baby.
Astig lang dapat kasi ako.
kahit saan man makarating, hanap pa rin ay iyong lambing. Sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi.
Kasi nanonood ako ng live niya. Nagko-comment ako, hello, I'm DJ from the Philippines. I love your songs. Ano, check it out, pinapansin. This is from the team of 10cm. DJ, we listen to your song online. Palagi, 10cm likes your song. And maybe someday we can do something. Sa dami-dami ng mga artists sa buong mundo, ako yung napakinggan niya. At nagustuhan niya yung song ko.
I am 10cm from South Korea, and I'm a friend of TJ Motor. Right.
The love of a best friend that surpasses time. Yung pagmamahal na kahit wala na siya, andyan kita mo pa rin, ramdam mo pa rin pagmamahal niya.
We have a long distance friendship. I miss TJ Motor every day, but I can't see him because we are so far away each other. And this song always reminds me of my friend TJ Motor.
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat for making my dreams come true.